Good morning from Chester Animal Clinic. My name is Dr. Lyne and I will be talking to you today about kennel cough, i.e. infectious tracheobronchitis. We'll give you a very simple version of kennel cough here today and go over some other things that we do here at Chester Animal Clinic and Westchester Pet Resort to help prevent kennel cough. Now, kennel cough is caused by bacteria and or viruses, or a combination of both. We vaccinate for kennel cough with Bordetella bronchoseptica, and that is a bacteria. Just because we vaccinate dogs for the prevention of kennel cough does not absolutely mean that they're never going to get kennel cough. Kennel cough is very similar to the common cold or to a flu, and we vaccinate to try to help prevent kennel cough here. Now, dogs are exposed to kennel cough from airborne molecules or direct contact, or drinking out of water bowls, or playing with toys after another animal that's been contaminated here. So, and the difficulty with kennel cough is a lot of animals do not show the clinical signs of kennel cough before they're exposing other animals. Here at Chester Animal Clinic and Westchester Pet Resort, our staff is very trained in identifying coughing dogs, and we do not allow any coughing dogs into our boarding facility. If any dogs are coughing, they're brought to the attention of the doctor and they're moved into an isolation ward until the doctor can examine them. Kennel cough, dogs that develop kennel cough can be exposed from boarding facilities. They can be exposed from Petco's, PetSmarts, other pet-friendly areas, rest stops, things like that. And a lot of times owners are not aware that their dog is being contaminated because these animals aren't showing any clinical signs of kennel cough. Cats can also be carriers for kennel cough, and dogs can get exposure from kitty cats. Now, here at Westchester Pet Resort, we really take kennel cough very seriously, and we train our staff to recognize it, and we've implemented protocols to help prevent it. One of the things that we've done here when I first built this facility is had an air exchange system put in. So we're exchanging the air in our boarding facility twice a day. Other things that I have implemented is infectious disease protocols. Mike Lapman, Doctor and Chief of Infectious Diseases at Colorado State, has reviewed my protocols here and has approved them, and we implement those on a daily basis, and we're constantly training and retraining staff on making sure that we're following those protocols properly. If any dog is noticed to be coughing, again, they're brought to my attention. If any dog coming into the resort showing coughing, they're not allowed to stay at the resort. We've actually returned people away. One of the other things that we do is if we do have an outbreak of kennel cough, we limit the amount of animals that come into the facility here. One of the things that we do for our guests is we also provide them with a complimentary visit to identify and potentially try to identify the cause of it. We test for infectious tracheobronchitis, and if it is infectious tracheobronchitis, the drug company will cover the cost of medications. If it's not infectious tracheobronchitis, we will provide the clients with scripts, or provide scripts here at the animal hospital to help them with their clinical signs. But one of the other things is we really ask owners to be very aware of, prior to coming in to our facility, to be aware of their animal's been prior to coming in. If your animal or pet and loved one of your family members have been to daycares or to pet parks, and you notice animals there are coughing and hacking, prior to coming in here, you really need to consult with a veterinarian before just bringing the dog into daycare, because your dog could be a carrier not showing any clinical signs of kennel cough, and then all of a sudden expose everyone here. So we really ask you to do your due diligence. If you think your pet has been exposed, to give us a call and tell us, and we'll definitely help you out. Well, thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to seeing you and your family members. And again, we assure you that we want your pet stay here at Westchester Pet Resort to be very comfortable, and your pets to come home happy and healthy. Thank you so much.